check this out. I can make this 2D text 3D with just few clicks, like this. And once my text is 3D styled, I can give it any 3D text effect I want. But you might be thinking, what's new? Anyone can do that with Photoshop's 3D feature. But here's the twist. I didn't use Photoshop's 3D feature, which requires a graphics card to work. This means that even if you don't have a graphics card installed on your PC, you'll still be able to convert any 2D text into 3D with just few clicks. And the best part is you can do this to anything like a 2D logo, not just text. Plus, the text or the logo will be fully customizable even after converting it into 3D, which is awesome. Now the question is, how am I doing this magic trick? Well, it is simple. I'm just creating multiple copies of the same object and positioning them in a way to make it look like 3D object. To automate this tedious process, I have created a Photoshop Actions that works like a plugin, which you can download from the link in the description. After downloading, open the folder and just double click on it to install it in Photoshop. Now go to Windows, Action, and there it is. To use it, select the layer you want to make 3D and play the action that says play me first. It will set up everything, and now all you have to do is to choose the direction in which you want to extrude your subject. Now I want to extrude my text in this direction, so I'll choose this bottom right action and play it several times. The more you play the action, the longer the extrusion will be. So I think this is looking great, so we can stop right there. Now because the text was a smart object layer, we can edit it by just double clicking on it. It will open another document. Here we can edit the text, or we can just use our logo. After editing, close the document and save it, and it will update everything in the main document. And once your text is 3D styled, you can give it any text effect you want by watching my other videos. That's how you can use 3D Extruder Photoshop Action. Don't forget to download it from the description. And I have got plenty more Photoshop tools to share them with you, so be sure to subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace.